Have you ever complained about how terrible the leadership was at your company? How badly have they treated employees? Or you felt frustrated at how all the good ideas you had were getting shut down because you didn't have a good enough business case for the company to invest in. And because of all this, you left the corporate job and start a startup with a great product idea you've had for a while. If you are starting a new startup, I recommend employing the best strategy going forward. Why? Because it is the only way of meeting expectations within a specific time frame while ensuring that there are no mistakes in the process. Scrum for Startup is a step-by-step course designed to deal with inconsistency, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity through empiricism. Become successful in delivering products that meet the demands and needs of the fast-moving market. The Scrum for Startup course put every little detail into perspective. It is the opportunity to have an impact on people's lives because you will be focusing on continuous improvement. There is no faster way to get your startup up and running without Scrum for Startup course. Now listen. I've been a project manager using the traditional approach. We call it waterfall. I hated it. I knew there had to be a better way. Once I found Scrum, I was sold for life. Get lifetime access to Scrum for Startup course today and decide if it would come in handy for your startup.